We're proud to say that Carpenters is one of the best interior design firms in Singapore. We do more than meeting our customers' expectations. We exceed them. Our mission is to ensure customer satisfaction through high production quality, efficient customer service, and solid after-sales support. When Carpenter's founder and managing director, Mr. Yin Lau, was contacted by a friend to help renovate his house, he saw an opportunity to set up a business to take on the project. Due to the quality work done, referrals came pouring in, and the business took off. Eventually, Mr. Lau found his true calling in interior design, and in December 2010, Carpenters was officially launched. Over the years, Carpenters has accumulated these accreditation. We are also one of the few interior design firms to obtain the CASETRUST RCMA Joint Accreditation, which promises good business practices, such as cost transparency. When you purchase a package with us, your deposit is also protected by the Deposit Performance Bond. Our services streamline the interior renovation process to provide our clients with a fuss-free experience. All we need is your floor plan and requirements, and our designers will come up with a construction proposal and 2D drawings for your review. Once satisfied, sign a contract and start choosing materials. The chosen materials will be applied in 3D drawings for a more realistic view of the expected result. After that, we will submit the relevant permits to commence renovation, which our designers will be on site to oversee. Sit back, relax, and wait for us to hand over your beautiful new home. What sets Carpenters apart is our local in-house carpentry. We have braved through challenges in space constraint, material supply, and talent sourcing to set up our very own carpentry factory. This allows us to closely monitor the quality of the carpentry so that the end product effectively communicates the idea behind the design. Our designers pay close attention to the demands and preferences of our clients. They are committed to striking the perfect balance between functionality, quality, and aesthetics. Our team is also expert in maximizing the limited square footage of Singaporean homes, making sure that the space is fully utilized to satisfy the needs of the clients. Let's take a look at what our satisfied clients say. At Carpenters, we strive for excellence and nothing less. In years to come, we will continue to offer the best and bring your dream home to life. Carpenters, love where you live. Live where you love.